In the forthcoming episode, Singgu catches a glimpse of Se-Eon cars just as he rushed to rescue the fisherman, arriving in the nick of time to pull Se-Eon away. Moment before the blast erupts and the tensions tighten when he calls Hee-Joo, who races to the hospital with panic surging through her as she sees Se-Eon in such a fragile state, and in that moment Se-Eon's heart wears as the truth dawned on him that Se-Eon was not keeping Hee-Joo away but shielding her all along. And the maintain in Ashley strives trouble by provoking Se-Eon's adoptive parents with a casual remark about his resemblance, and later, as Se-Eon begins to recover, he pulls Hee-Joo aside, his voice trembling vulnerably as he admitted, "Even if I am not the Se-Eon you once knew, does it really matter?" Warping her in a hesitant embarrassing, seeking solace in her presence. But Hee-Joo, her heart racing, resolves to uncover the truth, determined to find his real name and identity. In the climatic moments, Hee-Joo vows to protect Se-Eon.